Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today, this is day 6, week 2 of me opening up 3 of these Disney Pixar boxes. If you didn't watch the amazing pull yesterday, you missed out. It was crazy. I didn't know what to do. I almost screamed on stream. I mean, it was insane. Yeah, feel free to go back and watch that. I pulled that bad boy right there behind my friend. So yeah, go and watch that. We've had an amazing week. We have today and tomorrow to go. And then, we are starting off right today. Man, back-to-back winners. Well, yesterday and today. I hope it's as good as yesterday's was. Holy cow. That card right there paid for the whole case of these cards. Maybe even more. I mean, jeez. That was an amazing pull. Alright, so those are the winner cards. Let's put this one over here because this is not a winner box. Even though it can still be a gold card or something good. So far this week we pulled 2 golds, a black, and 3 embroidered. So holy cow, we've had a great week this week. And hopefully today continue. Well, it has to continue because we have a winner box already. So hope you enjoy all the videos. It's been really fun doing something different other than just plush videos. Even though I'm sprinkling in the plush videos. It's just, this is just something different. We have a 3D Remy the Dirty Rat. And we got a Bing Bong. This is just something different. Once I run out of these cards though, I don't know. If something new comes out, I may do it. Thinking about the hot box. I don't know if I'm going to keep doing that. Let me know in the comments if you like the Mickey Mouse retro cards or you didn't like them. I mean, if you didn't see the video, then you don't know. But let me know if you saw the video, if you enjoyed those cards. They're not as expensive as these. This says, I'm just so sick and tired of being perfect. I'm never going to be good enough for her or anyone. But yeah, yesterday was an amazing day. And we have a winner box, so today could be amazing too. I mean, it's going to be. There's a minimum of a numbered card in this box. So, figure out what it's going to be. If you're watching me on TikTok, feel free to come over to YouTube and say hi. If you want to buy some cards, plushgamesandmore.com. I have individual sets. I have packs you can buy. What the? Double claw. The claws. Have boxes you can buy. And of course I'll include extra if you let me know that you found me on YouTube or the TikTok. Alright. Got a Jesse and a Buzz. We have a Miguel and a Ham. A Meagle. A Schmeagle. Whisker, Mr. Whiskers, the fat cat, and a dirty dog. Russell and a Rex. Why am I holding this piece of trash in my hand? For like, I've opened like 3 packs with it in my hand. I'm just so happy still with that card right there. We got Wally and Mrs. Potato Head. I'm still hyped from that card. Wally and a Forky, and we still have that. That's a guaranteed winner over there. Ratatouille. Focus on what you've left behind. You'll never be able to see what lies ahead. That is the dirty rat saying that. Nemo and a Bing Bong. Rex. And last pack from these two boxes. Come on, gold. No, we hit a Dirty Woody and a Malin. Alright, let's see what this is. We have a Brave 3D. And before we go to the winner box, oh, we have an Easter egg of the pizza parlor. The pizza parlor is inside this little viewing station. There's two magnifying glasses here, so yeah, I do have to open one of those eventually. All right, let's see what we're gonna find. Oh, we finally found a Brave. I haven't seen a Brave in a while. Our fate lies within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it. Yeah, I haven't found a Brave card in a while, other than the regular Meridas. We have a Joy and a Lotso so far. We haven't found the winner card yet. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It is a Nebula. Nebula is the card. You can see it's double the thickness of a normal card. There's the normal card, maybe even triple the thickness. Look at that. And it is, see the number, 27 out of 50. So man, we've had a great week. There it is. I have to get special bags for that one because it is way too big for normal bags. But man, we've had an awesome week. Tomorrow we will finish up the 3 back there and hopefully get another winner box. I mean, there's no guarantees. We've had so much luck this week that I'll be amazed if we find another winner box. But also be very happy. Can't even speak now. All right. We have a Bob and a Carl. I don't think you can get anything else after you pull a winner out of the box. Not positive though, so I always keep opening the packs. Besides, I'm making a video here, so couldn't just stop, right? Eve and Russell. All right, let's see what encased card they gave us. Oh, we have a Bo Peep film cell. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. All right, so we've had a great week so far. We have one more day to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I got to go bag that guy before I mess him up. Take care, everybody. Bye. See you tomorrow.